السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته أرداد شرفت له دبس ودواغا شركة and ما أنت مسيحين عشر آتي حيسن له أوكي سالسين معناها دنا جرامر ما أنت مسيحين 10 جرامر أوكي سالسين adjective ending in ed and ing adjective ending in ed and ing adjective مقدر adjective وتلمامي والأول شيء تلمامة adjective تلمامي مقدر تلمامة وكذا ماذا ed يو ing كذا ماذا okay let's see interesting وحيسة interesting حيسة ing كذا interesting حيسة معناها ولا معناها درابي كذا دران interesting اوكي interesting حيست اوكي adjective معناها انت تلمام وي تلماماس معناها درين لح شيء درين كله وحي تلمامه اوكي interesting ادوي interesting وحيسو interesting معناها حيسو اوكال interesting حيسو interested he say okay confusing جهورير confusing معنى وريرت اوكال confusing معنى لم شيء كان معنى برنك ديرس مالاي confused ورير اوكال معنى ورير shocking نحتان نم شيء واحد على كنتي اوكال shocked نحي معنى shocking أنا أصلا shocked نحي هاي يعني shocked نحي tiring نوجد tired نوجي tired نوجي tiring نوجد tired نوجي okay interesting حيسس interested حيسي confusing وريرد confused وريري shocking نهي تان shocked نهي tiring knock tired نوغي okay ed adjective معنى adjective تلمامها ed كده ماذا adjectives تلمامها that ends in ed or ed كده ماذا generally دمانتو describe ما يبقى شيء generally دمانتو describe make شيء emotion درين أنا adjective ياكو ed كده ماذا ما يبقى أنا دمانتو ما يبقى أنا كهذا لاينا درين and tell us how we feel يوان make شيء أنا سريعنا دريمون درينا شيء and tell us ما شيء how we feel ما يبقى كهذا لاينا سريعنا دريمون and tell us how we feel ما كهذا لاينا سريعنا كدريم أنا دريمان example تسألهان examples of adjectives ending in ed تسألهان أو معنى تلماموين أو كذا ماذا ed تسألهان تو ما I am interested in learning Arabic I am أنا قف دريم لك شيء يعني أنا قف دريم له يعني قف دريم شيء I am interested in learning Arabic أنا ما حيسي أنا برتانك اللغة Arabic أنا بر يا حيسي I'm interested أنا ما حيسي ليه in learning أنا بر Arabic لغة Arabic I'm interested in learning Arabic أنا ما حيسي إلا أنا بر لغة Arabic I'm interested in learning Arabic أنا ما حيسي أنا بر لغة Arabic she is confused إيه معناها ورد she is confused because معناها واحد درين له أيوة I am anyway because خوفك من هذا درين له وأنا درين له okay الرجال أنا يوم make شيء كأنه ed adjective كده ماذا make شيء كأنه generally emotion and tell us how we feel okay أدي I'm interested in learning I am أدي معناها because هذا درين له I'm interested ed I'm interested in learning Arabic أنا معناها ما يحسيو إنا برو لغة عربي أدي okay she is confused إيه ورأت because she is confused إيه ورأت إيه أدي أوي قف وي أو معناها أو feeling لي دارين لي okay she was shocked when she heard the news she was shocked not يعني she was shocked not when she heard مركز ديكتي the news معناها أخبارته مركز ديكتي معناها إيه not she was shocked when she heard the news she was very tired today إيمان إيه آت أو نوكت مان she was very tired today she was very tired today she was very tired today manti at أو نوكت she was no it's wrong she is very tired today manti at أو نوكت she is very tired change this one she is very tired today إيه مانت at أو نوكت معنا because tired يديك لما tired no تاموي make كودا قف الدرين ل she okay adjective ending in ed and ing interesting interested confusing confused shocking shocked tiring tired erayal macna koodan kuwana kimin erayalka macna ku koodana may kimin ayana macna kuwan way interesting interested confusing confused shocking shocked tiring tired macna erayal way ku koodan kuwaas ku kooban okay let's see the next page okay before the next page I have not completed ed adjective that ends in ed generally describe emotions and tells us how we feel. Example of adjective ending in ed are I am interested in learning Arabic. She is confused. She was shocked when she heard the news. She was very tired. She is very tired today. That's it. Okay, let's see the next page. Okay, let's see ing adjectives. ing adjective tilmaamaha that ends in ing taasoo ku dhamaan ing generally iyona macnaha dhammaanteed describe may sheekayana the thing shakes that cause the emotion shaygu macnaha oo dareenka sheeni ka hadlayaan ing adjective may ka koodayana shaygu oo dareenka sheeni waxay dareenka sababi example of adjective ending in example of adjective ending in ing yaro kaste example of adjective ending in ing sorry guys example kala Arabic because inte mana ing correct example of adjective ending in ing make it ana tusaale aan adjective tilmaamo ka dhamaan ing maybe ka dhimin ana my job is very interesting my job is very interesting معنا my job شغلي is very interesting aad xiisan leh shaqray xiisad aad leh because ما شاني xiisad shaqada معنا leh job تو معنا qofkii ما xiisad ما شاني job تو way so job way okay my boss is confusing me boss kay iwareeriyo معنا is confusing me iwareeriyo who is confusing the boss ay sheen macnaha wareerka bosska ya sheene the news was shocking akbaarta absigelin ayaa lahayd the news was shocking akbaarta absigelin ayaa lahayd okay macna absigelin may sheene absigelinta waa akbaar the news way news ka sheene okay the lecture was very long khudbada aad an dheerayd aan tiring today and maanta knock iyo dareema macna I'm tiring iyo knock today maanta khudbada aad dheerayd wana knock ahayti maanta khudbada aad dheerayd wana knock ya ahayti may knock cheni the lecture the khudbada macna I heard an amazing day yesterday. I had an amazing day yesterday. شيء معناها ما معناها عجيب. معناها عجيب يا إنك عايد معلش. I had an amazing day yesterday. شيء معناها عجيب يا عايد. عجيب يا إن عايد شيء معناها عجيب يا عايد. I had an amazing day yesterday. شيء معناها عجيب يا عايد. لا ياب ما شيء أنا عجبت. I had an amazing day yesterday. شيء. Okay, more examples تسأل عن more example تسأل معناها فرق بدن. The book is boring. The book is boring. عاجز معناها the book is boring. book وعاجز معناها عاجز. the book is boring. book عاجز ما ذكرت ما قلته book دران له لكن the book مركز وايد is boring. book معناها عاجز عليه because as cause مركز the book is boring. book معناها مركز is boring. ing مركز درته correct. انت معناها x من سالب because مش قلت كأي ليه معناها والد دران الله حينا. you cannot use ed. okay, the book is boring. the book is boring. book معناها عاجز عليه. the book is bored. عاجز ده كده book عاجز. book قف معه نحن ما قدرت ترانه ملأ is bored ما ده كده book عاجز ما ده كده. the movie was exciting. feeling معناها فرحت يا لهاي feeling فرحت لهاي معناها. the movie was exciting معناها feeling فرحت يا هاي. the movie is excited ما ده كده ما the movie feeling is excited feeling فرحي. feeling فرحي ما ده كده. you cannot say that. okay, let's repeat again. ing adjective that ends in ing generally describe the things that cause the emotion. Example of adjective ending in ing: my job is very interesting. My boss is confusing me. The news was shocking. The lecture was very long and tiring today. I had an amazing day yesterday. More example: my book is boring. My book is bored. Wrong. The movie was exciting. The movie is excited. Wrong. Okay, let's go and see the next page. My brother is boring. My brother is boring. walaalkay macnaha is boring. عاجزي. my brother is boring. walaalkay عاجز way. my brother is boring. my brother is bored. walaalkay عاجزي. my brother walaalkay عاجزوي. my brother is boring. walaalkay عاجزوي. my brother is bored. walaalkay عاجزي. well, correct this. my boss is confused. booskay wareeri. my boss is confusing. booskay wareeroe. an interesting book oo xiisa leh. an exciting movie oo macnaha farxad leh. feeling oo farxad leh. Abdi is bored. Abdi عاجزي. she was tired after the long walk. macnaha socodka macnaha dheer macnaha kadib aad noqday. she was tired noqday after the long socodka dheer kadib aad noqday. she was surprised when she saw her result. she was surprised la yaabtay when she saw her result markii natiijadii aragtay. when she saw her result markii natiijadii aragtay. the long walk was tiring. dareerka oo dheer nooga ahay. the long walk dareerka oo dheer was tiring nooga ahay macna dareerka dheer nooga ahay. his result natiijadiis was surprising. waa la yaab ahayd. his result was surprising. his results was surprising. natiijooyinkiis ama natiijayaashee la yaab ahay. his results was surprising. asharkan maanta inta kooban fadlan haddii muuqaalka haltii subscribe, like and comment share ama ninkii looto. assalaamu calaykum waraxmatullaahi tacaala wabarakaatu.